Hello, I'm Soumya. Directions. Questions are based on the following coding pattern. If E, F, G, H, I, J, K are coded letters representing V, U, T, S, R, Q, P, choose the right code of the words given in capital letters from the answer choices given under each. Now the question is, limit. For the solution, let's write the alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now, here let's logically represent the pattern that has been given to us. E, F, G, H, I, J, K, that is from E up till K. We are going in this direction. On the other hand, the coded letters are V, U, T, S, R, Q, P, that is from V up till P in this direction. Now, after understanding the logic behind the coding, let's find out the word limit. The word L. Here, the word L is starting after 11 alphabets in the right direction. From right to left, up till here are the 11 alphabets. So, L would be represented by the word O. Similarly, the word I, after these many words, would be represented by the word R. Now, the only option that follows this pattern is option number 2, that is ORNRG. If you will go through every single alphabet that has been provided in the word limit, you'll find out that ORNG is the exact word. So the answer is option number 2. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Soumya. Directions. Questions are based on the following coding pattern. If E, F, G, H, I, J, K are coded letters representing V, U, T, S, R, Q, P, choose the right code for the words given in capital letters from the answers choices given under each. And the question is, SAR. Solution. In the previous question, we have explained that the alphabets are, if the coded pattern is given in the direction from left to right, then the coded letters would be from right to left. So, let's make out the alphabets once again. Now, for the word SAR. The word S is here, and according to the pattern that we had followed in the previous question, the word related to S would be H up here. Here, let's check out the options. Option number 1, 3, 4 and 5 does not follow the pattern. So, the only option left to us is HLFI would be the coded letter word for SAR. So, the answer is option number 2, HLFI. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Soumya. Directions. Questions are based on the following coding pattern. If E, F, G, H, I, J, K are coded letters representing V, U, T, S, R, Q, P, choose the right code of the word given in capital letters from the answer choices given under each. And the question is, pocket. For the solution, we have to write the alphabets. Now, in the previous question, I explained the pattern that has been followed here. The coding pattern if is E, F, G, H, I, J, K, that is from left to right. Then the answer would be from V in the opposite direction up till T. In a similar fashion, let's check out the word pocket. For the word P, here we can clearly see the word that follows is K. So, the first alphabet would be K. So, option number 1 is incorrect. In the similar fashion, the word L would be followed by the word O. So, if the word is given O here, then the word that would be followed by K is L. In the similar fashion, the word C would be represented by the word X. Here we can clearly see that the space is provided after D, and we are skipping one alphabet, that is W, after V. So C would be represented by the word X. Here K is exchanged by the word P. Similarly, P would be exchanged by the word K. So for the word K here, the correct alphabet would be P. Now let's check out the options. Option number 2 is incorrect because V, U and G would not follow the pattern. So option number 4 and 3 are incorrect, leaving us with the answer. We do not have to go through the end. So answer is option number 5. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे.
Hello, I am Mayank. The question is, if over is coded as QYIW and UP as WS, then star is coded as. Let's come to solution. Now for such question, it is preferred that if you write down the complete English alphabets. Now it becomes easy to visualize things. Over, that is O, is written as Q. You can see over here, O is written as Q, that means leaving one letter in between. V is written as Y, that is, we have left two letters between them. Again, E is written as I, we have left three letters in between them. And for R, we written W, and for that we have left four letters in between them. Thus, from here you can get the logic, but still you can check for U. We have written W, we have left one letter in between them. For T, we have left two letters and we have written it as S. Thus, for S, T, A, R, S will be coded as leaving one letter in between, that is, we leave T and the next letter, that is U. Thus, S will be coded as U. For T, we leave two letters and thus, leaving U and V, we get W. Thus, T will be coded as W. A, leaving three letters, will be coded as E. And R, leaving four letters, that is S, T, U, V, will be coded as W. Hence, from the options, the right option is option number 4. This is your answer. Thank you. This question comes quite easy and quite manageable. करके दिखाएंगे.